Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to set up Trust Wallet on desktop using the browser's extension. Now, in your web browser, just click the extensions icon located at the top right corner. And in here, all you have to do is navigate the Get extension for Microsoft Edge. Then search for Trust Wallet. Then just tap Visit website of Trust Wallet. And you will be redirected to the main download of Trust Wallet extension. Now in here, just tap Get, then Add Extension. And let's wait for a while until the download is done. Then after that, just tap Create a new wallet. Then you need to set your password. Then confirm your new password. And make sure to tap the Terms of Service here. Then tap Next. So it's up to you if you allow Trust Wallet to collect your data. Just tap the Share button. And you have also an option to decline. Just tap No Thanks. Then for now, I will decline this agreement. Then just tap No Thanks. Then just tap Open Wallet. And there you go, your wallet has already been created. And now in the homepage of your Trust Wallet, you'll be able to see various cryptocurrencies. Now at the Earn section, you can also earn additional token by staking. Now in History section, you'll be able to see the transactions you made. Then at the settings, you can see the Manage Wallet tab, your network, address book, developer settings, your connected dApps, your block dApps and language, currency, and then the color mode. You can also set up your security in here, and that's all. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.